Dual pipe kit. I believe it's 89.
There we are. Hey, welcome back to Messing with Mopars. Here, let me just hit pause on Mopar Joe.
One being you don't have a decent buffer.
Staples of one of the staples of doing this. You need to have something in the background just making some noise. So this afternoon, pulled the oil cooler out. Got transmission fluid absolutely everywhere because that's just what happens. Flushed those lines out. Got them hooked back up to the transmission, the new transmission we're putting in there. Fluid in the transmission was sparkly. Yeah, very sparkly. So better to flush them out. Flush it out now as opposed to blowing a transmission later. Can't really see in the oil pan I use now. Trust me, there were some big flakes in there. And you gotta be careful. I didn't want to run those through this new transmission that I just had gone through. So cleaning all that up. Oh, what else do we do? Found my drain pan that I was missing. I'm gonna set you down for a second. There we go. Boom. Alright, so got alternator on, water pump on. I just dropped a distributor I had laying around in there just so we don't get anything in the holes. I don't know why this has got goobers on it, but it shouldn't anyhow. So I'm going to clean up that a little bit, get the fuel pump in. I wanted to clean out the oil cooler before I put anything back together because I don't want to have any issues. And if the pan and the lines were as sparkly as I want to make sure that everything's cleaned out of there. So I'm going to run some brake clean through there and blow it out and let her dry up overnight. Hook her all back up tomorrow. And then tomorrow I should be putting the converter on. I probably should flush the converter too. Geez. Now I think of that, I better. See if I can get as much as I can out anyhow. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. Sorry, my train of thought went pew. You know, pew. That light behind me is really bright. What if I do that? Is that better? There's the underside of the 66. There's the race trailer. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what's going on. December 1st is registration for next year's Drag and Drive event. 10-4, here we go. We're getting ready to go. That thing will be ready to go. Probably have to put a roll bar in it. I talked to Rob. I can't pronounce his last name because it's about 18 feet long. But he's a nice guy. Just doing my race car right now. Yeah, so we're gonna just carry on doing that. So I'm gonna carry on cleaning stuff and putting stuff back together, and one thing after another, one step in front of the other. So I will sign off now and say thanks for coming out. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and have a great afternoon. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, check out my YouTube channel if you're not watching this on YouTube, if you're watching it on social media. Have a great day.